Hi guys, it's Nick from Embrosa, and today I want to show you how to create the Instagram ad. So right now we are in our campaign, and to create the Instagram ad, we click on Add Content. Right above in the channel, we select Instagram Ads. So for the name, I will choose Instagram Ad 1. We can select one of the files, so we can upload new files or choose one of the already uploaded files. I will select this picture. The text, I can type something myself, but I would like to generate it. Then we have the ad settings. We can choose the button, for example, the open link. Open the link now. The headline is find more about Embrosa. Find out more about. And description, learn more about our new MCT. We have the display link, and we can select the availability. And the availability will be in the summer from 1st to 15th of July. And this is our ad. We see it on the left and we filled everything in on the right. We can save it and then it will be available in our content.